Hi beauties, it's me, Alegra. Babes, I'm super excited today to be unboxing the new Colourpop Land collection. This is Colourpop's newest collab with Hasbro, and it is based on the Candyland game that you might remember from when you're little or you're playing it now. It's just so much fun. It's so sweet. And can we talk about this artwork? It's just so uplifting, so much fun. So I'm so excited to see what's inside, guys. I can't even imagine. Inside, they say there is going to be, though, a candy-coated palette, brand new glowing lip balms, lollipop flavored lip roller gloss, new marbled blushes, and a fruity fourth ray face milk kit. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. It has candy all over the box, so if you love candy colors and pastels and pinks, this collection is for you. It's just, oh my gosh, it's so much fun just even looking at it, but I can't wait to play with everything and try everything out with you dolls. So I'm not exactly sure what's underneath there, but we'll find out together. But here is everything. So first thing is this pamphlet that they sent, and actually it is for a game. So this collection here, this is the PR collection, which you can purchase on the Colourpop site. It is going to come with a game, so maybe that game is underneath the box. We gotta find out, guys. So just keep watching to find out, and also keep watching to the end of the video because we're going to have a giveaway, and I will let you know more about that throughout the video. So keep watching to see swatches and all that good stuff and the giveaway. This is the Queen Frostine Pixie Puff Highlighter. Isn't it just gorgeous? I mean, I don't even know. This is so beautiful. I don't even know how I'm going to be able to use it. But look at the artwork on the packaging, and oh my god. So I'm just going to go ahead and unbox this makeup with you beauties. But there is some safety seal stickers on the box, so I'm just going to take those off. So this is supposed to be a loose highlighter, and it's said to be a warm peachy gold that is going to look like fire on everyone. So I'm gonna give it a try on my own complexion. Hopefully, I'm sure it will look gorgeous on any of you beauties though. But oh my god, look at that huge poof baby blue, the logo, the packaging. Oh my god, I cannot get enough of this box, this little highlighter here. Actually, it's a huge highlighter. I'm going to put that away for now, and then I'm going to come back. It's super soft, so it's going to feel so good on your skin, but we'll come back to that and I'll swatch that later. Right now I'm just going to go through the package and kind of just see what's inside, and then we'll come back around and do swatches of everything. So here are the Feeling Plumpy. These are the Fourth Ray Beauty Face Milk. So, and this is a kit that they've come out with in this collection, and each item can be purchased separately. So everything can be purchased individually on the Colourpop site. So this is their best-selling face milks, and the ingredients are coconut, watermelon, and papaya. These make your skin so soft, so plumped up, give you that amazing moisture boost, and so they're just so great. So I'm going to come back again and just show you everything individually, but right now I'm just going to go through and see what's in this box with you dolls, but then we're going to do swatches too in a moment. So this is the Candy Castle. So this is the Colourpop Land Candy Castle palette, and it is said to be full of sweet pastels and rich wearable shades. So I am going to swatch these out in a moment for you beauties, but I can't get enough. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Yes, they're definitely super rich looking and pastel. So that's a great combination. Candy coated look. They said you can create a candy coated look, so that's so much fun. And then these are the Super Shock Shadow Blushes that are in the collection. So they came out with 3 new Super Shock Eyeshadow blushes, which are so gorgeous. You can build them up or you can wear them in a very luminous way. So there's so many options. I'm going to swatch those out though, like I said. And then here underneath, guys, oh my god. So actually it is the game. So this is going to be some kind of Colourpop Land game that you can get, which I just love for the artwork and just to put in my beauty room. It's just to look at it, it's just so uplifting. If you're a pink lover, oh my gosh, this is going to be everything. Or just pastels. Oh my gosh, guys, can you believe how much fun this is? Or definitely, of course, kids and adults play Candyland, so you could just have a great old time with this game board that they also came out with. This might only be in when you get the collection though, when you buy the whole huge collection. I'm not sure if that's available for purchase on its own. But babes, finally we're gonna do some swatches. So I'm so excited to swatch out the Candy Castle palette. So I cannot get over the artwork. I just love, I don't know what it is. I just think Colourpop artwork on their palettes and on their packaging, I just can't get enough of it. So right away you can see how sparkly are some of those shades. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get my fingers. I just love swatching. I just find it so relaxing. So that's why I've been really loving playing with the different colors lately. But I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch. Oh my god, do you see how sparkly that is? That looks like an app on Instagram or something like that, TikTok app that makes the sparkles, but that was one swipe. And oh my gosh, I can't wait to put that on my eyes. Could definitely even put that on your face. Oh my gosh, babes, do you see that one? So gorgeous, so creamy, so shimmery. These are metallic finishes, and then of course there are mattes in here as well, but I always love to reach for the metallics first. But you can definitely create super dimensional and easy to wear looks with all of the Colourpop palettes. But oh my god, look how gorgeous that is. Even if that might be light on you, you could always layer it, but if you just want a beautiful wash of color, how gorgeous is that pastel pink? And then here is this lavender shade. Oh my gosh, how creamy does that look? Oh, so beautiful. And this is that mint green. I'm gonna swatch now. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Do you see? I just can't get over how sparkly they are on their own. This is really just so beautiful. Oh my gosh, even this color that looked very matte, it has the sparkles in it too. They're just kind of subtle, but just, oh, they're like magical looking. This whole collection is just magical looking. And that is that deep chocolatey brown shade. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. I truly feel like this is one of the most beautiful palettes I've ever seen. It's just so beautiful. And then here I just also swatched out some of the matte shades. So these are the mattes in the palette. And that is such a gorgeous color. And that's another just so stunning, so creamy, and just really beautiful shades, very unique. I don't feel like I've seen these shades in any other palettes, so this could definitely make a great addition to your collection. These are definitely wearable everyday looks, but you could definitely also make them more dramatic. So now here are the Super Shock blushes, and Colourpop blushes are truly I just think they're some of the best blushes I've ever used, if not the best formulation I've ever used. So I'm just going to swatch out the 3 that they came out with. They are gumdrop scented, so it has almost it's very, very subtle candy-esque scent. So it's really, really nice. It's not overpowering whatsoever. And it also has like a marbled effect to it. And it feels so bouncy. That's another thing. It feels like a hybrid between a cream and a powder blush. So it's very, very, truly unique. I've never seen anything like that. And they do retail for only $9 for such a gorgeous blush. It's really bizarre. It's really crazy. But this is the peach, the more peach shade. They definitely give you a healthy, luminous glow. They're weightless, they're buildable, and they're super blendable. So that is the peach shade in the palette. That's Jolly. And then now I'm going to swatch out Gummy More. And they all have a very, like I said, very, very subtle. Do you see how gorgeous that is? It has like an iridescence to it. But it's a very light, sweet scent. So it's not an overpowering kind of sweetness, but it's very nice. It's fun, I think. So there you can see just how stunning they are. It definitely gives you that lit from within kind of glow, or like you could always build them up, but you could also wear them as a wash of color and you're just going to look effortlessly gorgeous and natural and beautiful. So now here are the lips in the collection. And there are 3 lip balms, and they all come in this beautiful packaging with candy canes on it, and they're super hydrating. So this is the shade Peppermint Frost, and then here is another glowing lip balm in this collection, and this is Let's Chill. So they're just very subtle, hydrating tinted lip balms that add moisture with a pop of glossy color. And then this is a more peach-esque shade, and this is Mr. Mint. And they all do seem to have a very slight minty flavor. So, but it's not also it's very subtle. So now here is the Rollerball. This is the Princess Lolly Roller Gloss. Oh my gosh, it feels so good on your skin. It's a sheer cherry red gloss, but I really don't see the cherryness of it. To me, it's clear. It's described as cherry red, but to my eye, it's clear on my lips. It looks clear, and you could definitely layer it over your balms or your lipsticks, or especially over a matte lipstick, and it's gonna feel so good and comfy. It's not sticky or anything whatsoever. It's amazing. So also included in the collection is this Feeling Plumpy. This is the 4th Ray Beauty Face Milk Mini Kit. This does retail for $22, and you get their 3 best-selling face milks, which are super hydrating. They do make your skin look plumper and just so good. And they actually make your skin feel so good, especially if you have dry or irritated skin. They definitely make your skin feel so good. So this is their Coconut Face Milk, which has a very hint of a coconut scent to it. These are paraben-free, gluten-free, cruelty-free. All Colourpop products are cruelty-free, dermatologist tested, and safe for all skin types. So your skin will be feeling oh so plumpy with this. That's how they describe it. And then here is their papaya scented one. So all the scents are very, very light, though. They're not overpowering it whatsoever. It's just a very, very light papaya scent, but it's kind of just smells fruity and just smells really good. And then here is their watermelon face milk, which I love the scent of watermelon. This is also, like I said, all the scents are very light, but I do love watermelon scent. So if you love watermelon scent, you would love this one. But as you can see, they look kind of pink, but they're, you know, it just melts into your skin and it just makes your skin just feel so good and luminous and glowing. So finally, I just wanted to show you a quick swatch of the Queen Frostine Pixie Puff Highlighter. This retails for $15. It's so gorgeous, so creamy. It has the slightest, it's just, oh my gosh, I don't even know how to describe it, but it's just a very light candy-esque scent. And you could put this on your face, your body, and you are just gonna just look so effortlessly glowing and highlighted, but it's just a very effortless, it almost feels gel-like on your skin. It's such a strange formulation. It's powder, but it actually kind of feels gel-like and cooling on your skin. It's so unique and it's beyond stunning. Those are naturally just reflecting glitter off of the light. This is just my iPhone and it's just so beautiful. This is probably my favorite. This and the palette and the roller lip. The Princess Lolly lip is my favorite. So thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. If you'd like to take part in today's giveaway, all you have to do is be a subscriber to my channel. So just subscribe via the link below and you'll be entered into this giveaway, which is for 3 pieces from the new Colourpop Land collection. So I will be sending out 3 surprise goodies from this collection to you beauties, to one of you beauties. So just comment below that you'd like to take part, be a subscriber, and you'll be entered into this giveaway and all my future giveaways and my huge monthly makeup giveaway as well. So let me know what you love from the collection. Will you be picking anything up? I can't wait to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. So I hope you are all doing good. I love you guys so much and I'll see you very soon. Bye, love you.